Today we are going to look at how to produce multi-purpose liquid soup. The underlying word is multi-purpose liquid soup. Let's look at the ingredients needed for the multi-purpose liquid soup. One, we have our tezapone. I have my tezapone here. You can also call it base. It's here, 1 kilogram. It's here. Then I have my salt. It's also here. Then I have this chemical is called thickener. Then this one is booster. This is booster. Then I have my thickener powder. This is the thickener liquid and this is the thickener powder. You can use both or any of them. Then I have my rice powder or the foaming agent that will make my product foamy. Then I also have my preservative to preserve my liquid soup so that it can last for longer time. So these are the things that I will use for my liquid soup. Then I also have my perfume. The perfume is also here. Then the colors is also there. We have already made the colors. It's there. So these are the things we are going to use for the production of our liquid multi-purpose liquid soup. So we are going to dissolve our rice powder in water before we start. Okay, so I will add water. Good. Let me put it there. By the time we get there, then it has dissolved nicely for us to use it. Still, we are going to use our plastic bowl or plastic bucket for the production. Now, let's start. First, pour your base into the bowl. Pour your base into the bowl. Let me add this leftover to it. The leftover from the washing powder. Let me add it. So I have my 1 kilogram of base. Now I am going to add the salt. If you take 1 kilogram of base, you will need 750 grams of salt. So with my 1 kilogram of base, I am going to add 750 grams of salt. So I have my 750 grams. Let me add. Here too, stirring goes in one direction. Make sure that you stir in one direction. It's a chemical reaction. So if you stir and then change your hands, as far as the soap preparation is concerned, if you change your hand, it will spoil.